Hello,
Hello,
how are you, brother?
I'm fine, and you?
Oh, I'm also fine, thank you.
Could I could you tell your name?
Yes, I am Masud. And
Okay,
you?
I am Altaf Hussain. Come
Okay.
from Farmgate. And where are you from?
Oh, I'm from Bogura. Nice to meet you.
I am also
Panchagod is a
feel
very
nice.
historical place. Some years ago, our batchmate enjoyed as a tour.
Yeah,
We enjoy rock museum
Right.
and stone hills or stone mine, rock tea garden. Really, it's so
So
interesting,
amazing,
so
interesting, right.
natural beauty. We enjoyed.
right.
Fine.
But I don't have much idea about Bogura. Can you
Oh.
explain it?
Sure. Bogura is a historical place. There has a lot of historical area, and and at ancient Bangladesh or at ancient period, Pundanagar or
It was called Pundanagar.
Pundanagar, and it was the capital of Bangladesh at ancient time. Here has a lot of historical places such as Mastangar, Behula Lokhinder, Megh, and some park and some rivers and some college institution. There has a lot of interesting foods such as curd, that means doi, and
Right. It's also my favorite.
yes, and you enjoyed it before. And there has one kind of food that calls kotkoti. It's
Wow,
made
right.
of
I also knew that. I added that.
Yes.
It's found beside the Mastangar.
Mastangar.
Right.
This area there has a specific food that made of flour of rice, and that called kotkoti. It's
Bro,
really so
could
strong.
you
Yeah, sure.
explain how can I go there or how can we go there?
Okay, if anyone would like to reach at Bogura from Dhaka, just go to the bus terminal at
Mohali bus
Kaptoli or Mohali.
And then
Okay.
through this process, I
Yes,
will
reach
go to
at Bogura.
right, reach at Bogura.
Okay, fine. Nice to meet you. Thank you very much. See you again.
You are most